What's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? What's up, guys? Welcome back. Happy Monday to you all. What y'all doing? How y'all doing? Where y'all been? Girl, today we're going to be unboxing our BoxyCharm. And y'all, I'm mad with BoxyCharm right now because, well, we're going to get into that in a little bit. We're going to talk about that. So if you guys want to see what I have in my November's box, please keep watching. Leave me a comment down below. You know it's almost my birthday, right? 2 days. Okay, guys, for you guys that don't know, I'm TonyaNicole. Welcome, guys, or welcome back. I'm so happy to have you. Y'all, today we unboxing the regular BoxyCharm. Now, let me tell y'all why I'm mad with BoxyCharm. So when BoxyCharm sent me the email for the premium box, instantly, I got online, I signed up for it, cool. They told me I was on the wait list. They really made it seem like I was going to be getting a premium box. So I'm waiting for the first to come. I see the $25 out for this box, but I don't see nothing else. So I go to Instagram and people saying the box is sold out. I reach out to BoxyCharm. They didn't give me an answer. Another person on Instagram told me what the deal was with the box, that it was sold out. So I did not get the premium box and I am like pissed. How many did they have? Because I signed up immediately and they say, oh, they're going in the order of which you signed up. Well, babe, what, people got their emails before I did? I mean, I'm just confused as to how it sold out so quickly. Y'all been like broadcasting this and advertising this, and what y'all had, 3 boxes? I mean, my goodness. But I'm gonna tell you like this, I'm not watching no unboxings of no premium boxes. Yes, I'm being petty like that. I'm not watching none until I get my own premium box. How about that? Okay, so I'm pissed with BoxyCharm. Let me know in the comments down below if you signed up for the premium the day of and if you got it or not. Okay, so I am excited about getting this regular box, y'all. I was more excited because I was supposed to get that Frasali spray if I would have signed up, if I would have received the premium box, but I'm hoping the brushes are in this box. I did not, well, I picked one item out of this box. I know a few of the spoilers, but I don't know everything, and I definitely don't know what I have in my box for this month. So we're gonna get to the specs of this box and then we're gonna unbox it. Cool? Y'all, it's 2 days before my birthday. Woo! The turn up is gonna be real this weekend. Trust me. For you guys that do not know, BoxyCharm is now a $25 per month beauty subscription. You get 4 to 5 full-size beauty products, and it's supposed to have a value of around $145. I do have a link below, guys. If you guys want to sign up for BoxyCharm, you can. But this is just a regular box that I got today, y'all. So that's what we're gonna do. The premium box is $35 a month, and y'all know next month is Boxy Luxe, which I am so excited for, and that is $49.99 every 3 months. So guys, without further ado, let's get this baby cracking. I ain't even opened it yet. It just came fresh from the post office. Y'all ready? Ooh. Oh, girl, she red. I like that. So up top, guys, we have hashtag BoxyCharm here. And the red back. I don't know why I stuttered on that. And let's see what we got. So we know that every month it comes with a card. The theme for this month is Stellar, as we can see right here. And I have variation number 7, guys. So yeah, inside of the card, they give you a list of all of the products as well as the retail prices. So we will be putting that on the bottom of the screen. So let's get on into it. Dance break. Y'all take a dance break and a drink break. Let's go. So BoxyCharm now is sending you out sample packets so that you can sample concealers and foundations so that they can better match you, because in the near future they're going to be now including foundations and concealers in their subscription box. Y'all, now I am really excited for that. They best put me on that premium list if it's gonna be in the premium box, and I am so serious. So they sent me from Pretty Vulgar this undercover lightweight concealer, and I'll probably be medium. I don't know, because the last one looks like it's gonna be too dark for me, but yes, this is some concealer, so I'm gonna test these out and let them know which one is better for me. Cool? So up first, guys, I am seeing from Starry Eyes, the world's kindest eye mask. Indulgent Self-Warming Eye Mask. Ooh, and they gave me 2 of these babies. And if y'all don't know anything about me, I'm about to give y'all something right now. I love a good eye cream. I love a good eye anything because I don't want my eyes looking old, y'all. I don't want wrinkles under my eyes. I don't want creases under my eyes. I want my eyes to look sexy like they look now. Girl, I am so sad. But you know, when you're getting older, and y'all know I'm forever young, but when you get older, you know, things start to wrinkle up and, you know, crease up. So we want to keep it nice and tight and young. So yeah, babe, I'm going to be using these. So we have 2 Starry Eyes Indulgent Self-Warming Eye Mask by Pop Mask. And I told y'all it's 2. And it says on the back here, open pouch and remove your Starry Eye pop mask. Gently open the pop mask, then pull open the loops and place them on your eyes. Okay, we're gonna skip all that. Y'all can read that when y'all get them. But you're supposed to leave them on for 20 minutes, guys. And it says, warning, may cause complete relaxation and deep sleep. Girl, y'all know I need sleep. May ease migraines and tension headaches, may cause the feeling of being refreshed when waking. Do not operate anything while wearing your Starry Eyes pop mask. And this is cute, guys. So let's see how much these retail for. And these are these are by Pop Band. Oh, it says pop mask on here. But anyway, so these are the Starry Eye pop mask set of 2, and they retail for $10. $10. For $25 box, BoxyCharm. Come on, babe. I want high-end things, okay? But we'll test these out and see if they're good. But I want high-priced items in my box if y'all increase the price. Up next, we have, ooh, girl, now this I've been waiting on. This Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick, and this is what the outside packaging is looking like. And I have the shade Flirty right here. So we're gonna open it up and see. It looks like it's pink. Yeah. It's got a frosted bottle, guys, and it is like a light pink color. I am going to swatch it. Ooh, that is like pink. I'm gonna have to pass this on to my sister or my mother. That is too pink. Dose of Colors, their formula is really nice, really creamy. I really like it. I could probably like put this maybe in the middle and do like an ombre lip or something, but this color is, ooh, I wish I'd have got the red one. But anyway, guys, let's see what it retails for. And this is the Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick, and it retails for $18. Up next is the item that I did choose, guys, and it is the Juice Beauty Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. Is it a serum or like a, what? Girl, it doesn't matter, but this is what I chose because I just told y'all I love a very good eye serum that's gonna make me look young in the eyes, because you know your eyes is the first thing that people see, and you know you don't want your eyes to look like you're 90 and you're really only like 20. Anyway, so this is the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment, and I am very excited, guys, to get this. Let's take it out of the package. And this is what it looks like outside of the package. And you get how much? 15 milliliters or 0.5 fluid ounces of product. Now with eye serums, you don't really need a lot, so you don't really have to have a big volume. So you just use a little bit and it should go a long way. So yes, guys, I'm very, very, very excited to receive this anti-wrinkle eye treatment, especially with my birthday coming up. You know, I'm being my feelings about getting a little older, but I'm only 28.3, y'all. So anyway, well, I'm making 28.3. Anyway, guys, so let's read up a little bit about this. This is a blend of fruit, stem cells, and vitamin C infused into organic, antioxidant-rich botanical juices, work to reduce the appearance of fine lines around the eyes and minimize the appearance of dark circles. And this retails for $50. And y'all know I'm definitely using this. Eye creams, I love eye creams. So yay for this. Up next, y'all, girl, I got them. Y'all, I was so upset because I saw one unboxing from BoxyCharm, and he did not get the brushes. And I thought that the brushes were going to be in every box. And I'm like, oh my God, if I don't get the brushes, I'm going to be so upset. But I got them, guys. Now I'm very happy. So let's take them out. We only got 2, but that's okay. Oh, and they feel so good. Look at them, y'all. Look at them. They're so beautiful. So soft. The shape is kind of odd for me. I guess it'd be good for like blending out my contour or putting my powder or maybe foundation. I don't know. But I love them. They're so soft and I just wanted to touch them. Oh my God! And I love the little package it comes in. Yes. Y'all know I'm a brush freak, right? Absolutely. And this is the BoxyCharm 2-piece brush set. It says create your favorite looks in total luxury with our first ever BoxyCharm branded brush set. The large multi-purpose brush is perfect for liquids, creams, powders, or mineral products. And the foundation brush has an oval base to help with precise foundation placement and seamless blending. Oh, and they are handcrafted, synthetic, and cruelty-free. And these retail for $35 for, I guess, the two. But y'all, they feel so nice. I can't wait to use this in my next Get Ready With Me. Oh, I'm so happy. And last up, guys, we have a palette. And this is from Dominica Cosmetics. It's the Celestial Thunder eyeshadow palette here. And I did see a spoiler on this, and I was very excited to receive this because we received this lip gloss from her company a few months back, and I absolutely love this lip gloss. It smells so good. So I was very excited to receive the palette, and it is gorgeous. And this is the color on the palette. It's gorgeous. It does come with the mirror, guys. It is beautiful. And y'all know we gotta swatch them, right? Ooh, they look so pretty. I don't wanna touch them. But we get 3 shimmers and I'm gonna say 5 matte shades. All right, and this is the palette swatched out, guys. For the most part, it's just one swatch. I had to build this color up here, Zero Gravity. I had to build that one up with 2 swipes, but this is the palette. I think it's very pretty. They swatched very nice. Let's see what it retails for. And this, guys, is the Dominica Cosmetics Celestial Thunder eyeshadow palette, and it retails for $35, guys. So that was my final product in the box. We're gonna do a quick recap. I'm gonna do final thoughts. We're gonna rate the box, and we're gonna be done, okay? So we received from Juice Beauty this anti-wrinkle cream, eye cream, which I'm very excited for. From Dose of Colors, this liquid lipstick in the shade Flirty. We also received from Dominica Cosmetics this Celestial Thunder palette here. What else? Oh, from BoxyCharm, our 2 brushes here. And last but not least, our 2 eye mask here. So that's 5 products for this month. Final thoughts is, y'all, I love the box. I won't even lie to you guys. I love this month's box. I really wish I would have gotten a different color lipstick, but I will make this lipstick work, guys, because I do like the formula of Dose of Colors. So we're gonna play with it and we're gonna try to make it work. But for the most part, I really like this box. I like that they gave me a palette. I like that I got 2 brushes. I like that I got this eye serum. Actually, 2 eye treatments. I mean, BoxyCharm knocked it out of the park for me this month, and I'm very excited about my box. I do wish I would have got the premium box, but I must say I am satisfied 100% with this box. So yeah, y'all, it gets 2 thumbs up from me. So if I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it to the damn wolves. To 5 being this box is a bomb.com, boo. I'm gonna give BoxyCharm for this month like a 4.5, y'all. To a 5. No. I'm gonna give him a 4.5 because I'm gonna deduct a half a point for me not getting a premium. But I really like this box. So good job, BoxyCharm. This is a beautiful box for my birthday. I'm excited. I'm happy. Yes. So y'all, that's what TonyaNicole says. Let me know in the comments down below, guys, what you would give this box as far as rating for this month. Let me know what you got in your BoxyCharm. Make sure you let me know if you get that premium box because I want to know what you got in it. Don't forget, if you have not already subscribed to your girl, go ahead and press that button and become part of our family. Follow me on Instagram because I do the most on Instagram. And also, guys, give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Y'all, I'm happy with this box. I really am. So guys, that's all I have for today. I am going to go now and enjoy myself because y'all know it's my birthday week. I'm going to turn up. So yeah, guys, until next time and next video, I love you all so much. Peace.